Hello everyone, my name is Patel Marchi and today I am going to start a LeetCode series. In this series, I am solving a 40 questions of LeetCode. So basically, some steps I am following that first I am explaining the question, okay. Then after I am explaining the question with example also, and then after we start a coding with approach, okay. And then after we submit the question, okay. So basically, if the code is correct and pass all the test cases, then it will successfully submit without given any type of error. So let us start with our first problem, okay. So guys, today we are solving one of the popular problem, two sum, okay. So basically, the question that was given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So basically, the question, uh, the given was an array of integer nums and an integer, a target value is target, okay. So our task is find two difference indices, okay, such that nums I plus num j is equal to target. So basically what you want to do that, like I will explain with an example. Like there was an example one, okay. So basically our input was nums and given an array, okay, and our target value is 9. So basically what which two indexes, if we sum, okay, then our target value get the equal, okay. So basically our target value is 9, okay. And if there was an output 0 and 1, okay. So basically if we our output value is 0, okay, so means 0 index, okay. So our 0 index there was a number 2, and our 1 index there was a number 7. If we addition it, okay, then our target value get, okay. So basically this is our approach, okay. And our important condition is we cannot use the same element twice, okay. And there is exactly one solution, and you can return our indices in any order, okay guys. So let us, our approach is brute force thinking, okay. So let us start with a code, okay. So guys, let us start, okay. I'm starting with a for loop, okay. So basically this for loop selects the first number from the array, okay. So I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size, okay. So basically this is our first loop. So what you means from this loop, what it works, that selects from the array, selects the first number from the array, okay. Let us move on with second loop, okay. For int, so after running this loop we get our first number, okay, we get our first index, then there was a value is 0, okay guys. Thereafter here the what you we want to number second, okay. So basically there was an already get the first number I is equal to 0. So we want to write we want the number of right side. So basically from the number I plus 1, okay. So this is our now j, okay. Dot size j plus plus, okay. So this selects from after running this loop, okay, this selects the second number. And if we see that j is equal to I plus 1, what it indicates that this starts from I plus 1. And so basically we do not use the same element twice, okay guys. Then after we want the check the condition, okay. the means we want to sum two numbers, the getting of number 0 and I plus 1 means I is equal to 0 and I plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 means our two indexes get after running these two loops I and j 0 and 1. So basically we want to satisfy the condition also. So let us start with the third loop. If okay, nums index I, okay, and nums index of j, then our we want to satisfy with the target also, okay, comparing the target value also, the right or wrong, okay guys. Then after we want to return it also, okay. So then after we will return so basically this is our code guys, okay. Once again I explain it, okay. The first loop, okay, int I is equal to 0. So basically it selects the first number and the loop starts with I is equal to 0. Our first index is 0, okay. After running the second loop, it gives our I plus 1. It means the 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So basically our two indexes getting 0 and 1. From this example you should take a help of this example also, okay. After completing the second loop, we are going to the third loop. Nums is equal to I means nums is equal to 0 plus nums is equal to 1. Our I number is 0 and j is I plus 1 means 0 plus 1 1. The nums of I and nums of j. So basically 2 plus 7, our target value is 9 and 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 means both are satisfied. Okay guys, so let us check our question is correct or not. As you see that all the test cases is passed, okay. Runtime is equal to 0 ms, so it is good, okay. So thank you very much guys, and let us meet in a new video. Let us submit, okay guys. So guys, this is our first question to sum. So guys, bye bye, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.